I just got the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I find that I always get the newest phone right before the newest phone comes out, and I'm always behind. So right now I have the 12, which is what I'm filming on, but this is the 14 Pro Max. We went to several different Apple stores and none of them had them in stock. So this was supposed to arrive next week, but it came today. And it's pretty, kind of like a goldish color. I like that. I was torn between this and the purple one. And nothing comes in the box except for a plug. Not even, actually the cord. The plug's not here. So, any Apple stickers? Okay, so guess the dog's intrigued. This was actually the day it was supposed to arrive, on Halloween 31, October 31st, but it came on the 26th. Stay away from my phone. So we have the cord, no plug, and here we go. This is the iPhone Pro Max. I already got a case for it. Leave my phone alone. I'm going to pull out the case. I want it to be prepared. So, back journey. I got the Otter Pop socket case. This came from Target. I liked it because I love Otter boxes. I feel like they protect the phone really well. And this one has a pop socket already built in. And so I'm going to have my Otter box with my phone. And I guess this is going to be how we're going to be looking. Enjoy.